Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Asha, your EVS teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, in the last video, what we discussed? We started our FA1 revision. Am I right, children? Yes. FA1 revision. So, where you are practicing your revision, open that book. If you are practicing in your EVS notes, open that one, or if you are practicing in the rough book, open that one. Okay, I will explain you the next one. Till now, what we discussed? We discussed multiple choice questions. Yes, children. Now, today we are going to start the second Roman. What is that one? Match the following. Keep a heading. Match the following. So today we are going to start the matchings. Okay, children. First matching. Teacher. Teacher. Doctor, artist, engineer, farmer. Yes, children, you have to match here and here. Option A, grows crops. Option B, gives medicines. Option C, teachers. Option D, drawing and coloring. Option E, build houses. Yes, so what you have to do now? You have to match from here to here. Yes, teacher. What is the work of teacher? What I am doing here? Teacher grows crops. No. Gives medicines. If you are suffering with fever, you are coming to me to give the medicines. I will give the medicines. No. Teachers. Teachers. Yes, children, this is the right one. So what you have to do? Draw a line from teacher to teachers. Understand, children? Yes. Draw a line like this. Next one. Coming to doctor. Second one is doctor. We will check here which is the right one. Doctor will grow crops. No. What he will do? Second one. Gives medicines. Doctor will gives you medicines. Yes. If you are suffering with fever, you have to go to the doctor. There, doctor will gives you the medicine. Draw a line like this. Yes, children. Next one is artist. So what is the work of artist? Grows crops. From the first we will check. Grows crops. No. So already gives medicine, teachers over. Next one is drawing and coloring. Artist. What is the work of artist? Drawing, coloring, painting. Yes, children. who is dancing, singing, who is having a different talent. That person we will call him artist. So what you have to do? You have to draw a line from here, artist to here. Yes, if you can write down children, otherwise no problem. I will send you the PDF file. From that you can copy, or from that you can practice. Okay. Next, engineer. Engineer. What is the work of engineer, children? Engineer will grow crops. Engineer will grow crops. No. So check it once. Gives medicines over, teaches over, drawing and coloring over. So what is there? Engineer builds houses. What is the work of engineer? Builds houses is the correct one. Yes. You can draw a line from here to here. Next, farmer. What is the work of farmer? What he will do? He will grow crops. This one only left. Once you have to check it once. Farmer work is grows crops. So right only you can draw a line from here to here. Like this. Understand, children? Yes. Note down. If you want to write it in your EVS notes or in the rough, you can note down. Yes, children? So here I will revise once. Teacher, teacher, teachers. Repeat it along with me. Teacher, teachers. Teacher, teaches. Doctor gives medicines. Doctor gives medicines. Artist, drawing and coloring. Artist, drawing and coloring. Engineer, build houses. Engineer, build houses. Farmer grows crops. Farmer grows crops. Finish it, children? Finished, everyone? We will go for the next matching. Next. Second matching. What is the second matching? Next, I will write the second matching. Matching number 2. Head, head, limbs, limbs, trunk, trunk, arms, arms, legs, legs. Here B side, option A, torso, torso. B, uppermost part, uppermost part, uppermost part. C, wrist, wrist, elbow, wrist comma elbow. D, option D, knees, knees, ankles, ankles. E, arms, arms and legs, arms and legs. Yes, children. Now we have to match each and every one. One by one I will explain you. First one is head. What is the function of head? What is the work of head and what the head part is? See here, head is nothing but torso. No. Uppermost part, head is the uppermost part. Already we discussed. Yes. So head is the uppermost part of the body. So you have to do matching from here to here. Next, limbs. Second part one is limbs. Limbs are nothing but torso. We will check one by one. Torso, no. Uppermost part already over. Limbs are nothing but wrist and elbow. Wrist and elbow are limbs. No. Knees and ankles. Knees and ankles. Is it true? No. Next. Arms and legs. Which one is correct, children? Which one is correct? Yes. Arms and legs. Which one is correct here? Tell me. Yes. Coming to the trunk. Trunk is nothing but torso. Trunk is nothing but torso. Trunk also we call it as torso. Yes. Limbs are nothing but. Tell me. Head is the uppermost part. Trunk is nothing but torso or middle part. Limbs are nothing but arms and legs. Arms and legs. Here coming to arms. What are the arm parts? Here what are there in your arm parts? See here. Wrist and elbow are coming under arm parts. Where is the wrist part? Here wrist part. And where is the elbow? Here it is the elbow. So these two are coming under which part? Arms. You have to do matching here to here. Next. Here what is there? Which one is left? Knees and ankles. Knees and ankles are nothing but your legs. Here knee part is there. Where it is? In the leg part only. So you have to do the matching from here to here. I will repeat these matchings once. Head is the uppermost part of the body. Repeat it along with me, children. Head is the uppermost part. Head is the uppermost part of the body. Limbs are nothing but arms and legs. Limbs are nothing but arms and legs. Next, trunk. Trunk is also known as torso. Trunk is also known as torso. Arms. Arms are nothing but wrist and elbow. Wrist and elbow. Next, legs. Legs are nothing but knees and ankles. Legs are nothing but knees and ankles. All of you understand, children? If you want to note down, note down. Otherwise, no problem. I will send you the PDF file. Next, I will explain you the third matching. Yes. Do you know, children, how to match? How to do the matching? Next, third one, third matching. First one is ears. Second one is eyes. Third one is tongue. Fourth one is nose. And the fifth one is skin. Opposite to here, I am writing the options. Yes, 2, C, B. To breathe. To breathe. Option C. Covers our body. Covers our body. Option D. To hear. Option E. To taste. Taste. Yes, we have to do the matching here onwards. Ears, eyes, tongue, nose, skin. What are these, children? These are 5 sense organs. These are 5 sense organs. We will do matching with their respective functions. So what is the first one? Ears. What is the use of ears? What is the use of ears, children? We will use our ears to see. We will use our ears to see. No. To breathe. To breathe we will use your ears. No. Yes. Ears covers our body. No. To hear. It is right. We will use our ears to hear sounds. So do matching with this. Next, coming to eyes. What is the function of eyes? What is the function of eyes? To see? Yes, we will use our eyes to see the things around us. You have to do matching with this. Next, tongue. Tongue. What we will in which way we will use our tongue? Yes, here we have to do the matching. To see already over. To breathe. Or tongue covers our body. No. We will use our tongue to breathe. No. Next. To hear. This one also already finished. So what is there? To taste. Is it right, children? We will use our tongue to taste the food. Yes. Then do matching from here to here. Next. Nose. What is the function of nose? To see already over. What is there in the second one? To breathe. How I am breathing now? Which body part I am using? I am using my nose. I am using my nose. So nose is useful to breathe. So do the matching from here to here. Next. What is the next one? Skin. Skin. What is the function of skin? To see over, to breathe over. What is there in the sea? Covers our body. Covers our body. So skin covers our body. Yes, children. Do the matching here. To see. Yes. Do it, children. Write down if you want to write down. Write down. Yes. So again I will just revise once. Ears helps us to hear sounds. Helps us to hear sounds. Eyes helps us to see the things. Next. Tongue to taste. Tongue to taste. Nose to breathe. Nose to breathe. Skin covers our body. Understand, children? I will explain the last matching, the fourth one. Total 4 matchings are there. Yes, matching number 4. Next, 4th matching. nuclear family, nuclear family. Diwali, joint family, joint family. Fourth one is land pollution, land pollution. Fifth one is air pollution, air pollution. Next, here the options are there. A, Hindu festival, Hindu festival. Note down, children. Option B, throwing plastic, plastic. C, vehicles smoke, smoke. Option D, big family, big family. Option E, small family, small family. Yes, we have to match. Now, nuclear family. Nuclear family is a Hindu festival? No. Nuclear family throws plastic. There is any relation? No. Vehicles smoke? No. Nuclear family is a big family? No, children. Nuclear family is a small family. What type of family is nuclear family? Nuclear family is a small family. Do the matching. Nuclear family is a small family. Next, second one. Diwali. Second one is Diwali. We will check from here onwards. Diwali is a Hindu festival. Is it true? Yes. Diwali is a Hindu festival. So what you have to do? Do the matching from here to here. Next, coming to joint family. Already Hindu festival over. Joint family is throwing plastic. No. Land pollution. Joint family is vehicles smoke. Is there any relationship between these two? No. Joint family is a big family. Joint family is a big family. Is it true, children? Yes. Do the matching here. Next, fourth one. Land pollution. Land pollution. How the land pollution will be here? Hindu festival already over. What is this one? Throwing plastic. Land pollution is becoming by throwing plastic. Example for land pollution is by throwing plastic, the land is becoming polluted. Is it true? Yes. So what you have to do? Do the matching from here to here. What is air pollution? What is air pollution? Air pollution is caused by the vehicles smoke. This is also one of the reasons. So you can do the matching from here to here. Understand, children? If you want to note down, note down. Yes? Otherwise, no problem. I will send you the PDF file. Again, I will repeat it. Along with me, you can repeat. Nuclear family is a small family. Nuclear family is a small family. Nuclear family is a small family. Diwali is a Hindu festival. Next, joint family. Joint family is a big family. Joint family is a big family. Land pollution. Land pollution is caused because of throwing plastic. By throwing plastic. Next, air pollution. Air pollution is because of the vehicles smoke. All of you understand, children, these matchings. You have to practice these matchings for your FA1 exams. Okay, children? Tomorrow I will explain you the speaking tasks. Okay, children? Thank you. Bye-bye.